If you also want to generate this kind of AI videos, then you are in the right place. So let's get started. First of all, head to any browser and I'll go to ChatGPT. So for example, I'm going to make a 10-second video about Game of Thrones or a place like Game of Thrones. So I'll first generate an image about it. So when I click the prompt and hit enter, then it will start creating an image. So actually I forgot to add something in the prompt, and I'll tell you later. So what you have to do, let's wait until the image is being created. So if you already have an image that you want to animate, if you have any photographs, then that's okay, and that's even better because you do not need to create the image. Now since here my image has been created, I told you that I forgot to add some detail over it. So I will give another prompt with that detail. So I think this is a bit dark, so I will ask for. So what you have to add at last is in the aspect ratio of 9:16. So that means in the source form. So I'll hit enter and it will start generating the image. So let's wait for some time.
One eternity later.
So look, it has generated a new image. So I'll just click on it and download it. So our main task here has been done. So I'll download it once again. And now you have to ask this in the same chat, give me a prompt to generate a source type or a. So when you type this prompt, hit enter and it will give me a prompt. So here's the prompt. You just have to copy this prompt. Now open a new tab and search for Google Flow. Now you have to be careful from this step because there are some settings that you need to do exactly so that your video could be generated properly. So here I will choose my account. So choose your account and log in, and you have to click on this new project, and then from this plus button you have to upload media. I will upload the photo that I just downloaded. Here the photo is being uploaded, and in this sidebar, small sidebar, you can paste the prompt that you just copied from the ChatGPT. Now wait for this photo to be uploaded 100%. Now the photo has been uploaded. You can just click on this three dot and add to prompt. Now our photo has been added to prompt. Now you have to click on this icon, settings icon, and choose video, and here you have to choose the model OmniFlash. Now click on save and click on enter. Now it will start generating the video and it will take a maximum of 1 minute. So it's saying that it is going to generate video. I will click on approve. Since I have approved the request, you can also see here and here also that the video generation has been started. You can also see the progress of the generation shortly. Here you can see it's 0%, 2% generated, 4%. So it's being generated.
One eternity later.
Now our video generation has been completed. Let's watch the video. So the video is looking really cool. By this way, you can generate 3 or 4 videos a day with a single Google account. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon.